What does adultery got to do with killing? Ulama say that this is an indication that when zina is committed, when fornication and adultery is committed, what happens? They just take a pill and the child won't be born. Don't worry, just commit abortion and everything will be fine. No one will know that we were together. This is indeed taking the life of a child, and unfortunately it has been legitimized. It's legalized. It's okay to kill the children. It's okay to commit abortion. It's okay to take pills and stop your siblings' growth or stop your children's growth within the womb. This is indeed a grave, grave sin. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala says, وَإِذَا الْمَوْءُودَةُ سُئِلَتْ. And unfortunately this is rife and rampant within our youth and within our community, the Muslim community I'm talking about. If you listen to the stories in colleges and universities, what has happened? Educate our children. And one of the best, I give advice that get our children married when they are young. And then it leads a person to such a dark place where he ends up committing suicide. Why do we get cases of suicide in Muslim children these days? Muslim youngsters. And there's fights and there's knife stabbing and all those are going on. It's all linked to zina. It's all linked to evil. Either there's a fight about something or there's a fight after something. And in that interim, young, innocent children are being killed in the wombs of the mothers. And no one is there to question, because the mother itself is the oppressor. The father himself is the oppressor. Generally, who fights the case of the child? Either the mother or the father or the family. But when they themselves become oppressors and they take those pills and they do those abortions, who is there to defend that child? That is why Allah Ta'ala says on the day of Qiyamah that child will be brought forward. وَإِذَا الْمَوْءُودَةُ سُئِلَتْ وَلَا يَزْنُونَ. And the Ibad Rahman, they do not even go close to zina.